In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger domain name. We'll be doing this directly from your Hostinger dashboard, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to pay attention to so you can make the change smoothly. This is a simple process, but it's also one of those settings you want to handle carefully because changing a domain can affect how your website is accessed. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and from the main dashboard, click on Websites. This will take you to the section where all of your hosted sites are listed. If you manage more than one website, take a quick moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct one before making any changes. Once you're on the website's page, find the website you want to update. Next to that website, look for the three vertical dots beside the dashboard option. Click those dots to open the Additional Actions menu. This is where Hostinger keeps management options that aren't shown right on the main card. From that menu, click Change Domain. This opens the domain change workflow for the selected website. At this point, Hostinger will usually show you an important warning message. And this is something you should actually read instead of clicking past too quickly. Read the warning carefully and make sure this is really what you want to do. A domain change can impact your site setup, and Hostinger is making sure you understand that before continuing. If this website is live, it's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm you're comfortable moving forward. If you're ready, check the box that says I understand, and then click Change. That confirms that you've reviewed the warning and want to proceed with assigning a different domain to the website. On the next screen, you'll have two options for what domain to use. The first option is to type in a domain you already own. If that domain is available in your Hostinger account, it should populate in the search bar, making it easy to select. This option is useful if you already have the replacement domain ready and want the site to use it right away. The second option is to use a temporary domain. You can access that by clicking Use Temporary Domain. A temporary domain is helpful if you're not ready to connect a permanent custom domain yet, or if you just want the website to stay accessible while you sort out your final domain setup. In this walkthrough, we're going to use a temporary domain, so go ahead and click Use Temporary Domain. Hostinger will then generate and assign a temporary domain for the website. This gives you a quick replacement without needing to configure anything manually at this stage. After the temporary domain has been added, you'll see a confirmation screen. From there, click Continue. That finalizes this part of the process and takes you back into the website management area. Once you return, you'll be able to see that the old website domain setup is being deleted. This is normal in this workflow, so don't panic if you notice that status update. It simply means Hostinger is processing the change from the previous domain to the new temporary one. At this point, the main job is done. The most important thing now is to give the platform a little time to finish the update. Changes like this can take a short while to fully reflect inside your dashboard. So if you don't see everything update instantly, that's expected. If needed, refresh the page after a few minutes and check the website status again. And that's how to change your Hostinger domain name using the built-in Change Domain option, including switching over to a temporary domain when needed. Just make sure you review the warning carefully, choose the correct website, and confirm whether you want to use an owned domain or a temporary one before completing the process. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.